Hello students, we take today the practical preparation of para-bromoaniline from aniline. First we already seen para-nitroaniline from aniline. Now today we prepare para-bromoaniline from aniline. The apparatus required for it: round bottom flask, conical flask, beaker, funnel, Bunsen burner, etc. Material required for this are acetanilide, glacial acetic acid, acetic anhydride, zinc powder, bromine solution, ice and distilled water. The procedure containing preparation of acetanilide, but before we see already the preparation of acetanilide. So we continue it from the preparation of para-bromoacetanilide. So in the fume hood, place a clamped 100 ml conical flask over a magnetic stirrer. Fit a clamped addition funnel such that its steam slightly enters into the flask. To the Erlenmeyer flask, that means conical flask, add 5.4 gram of acetanilide dissolved in 40 ml acetic acid, a moderate stirring, while cooling the solution in an ice or water bath. In the addition funnel, introduce 20 ml of acetic acid and 2 ml of bromine. Add slowly and dropwise the bromine solution to the solution contained in the continue stirring the flask, maintaining stirring and cooling. After the addition is completed, stirring for a further 15 minutes without cooling. Pour the reaction mixture over 200 ml of 1:1 mixture of ice water. If the mixture is still colored, add a concentrated aqueous solution of bisulfite until the color disappears completely. At this point, you can leave the further and return to your usual working place in the lab. Cool the mixture, filter the precipitate, add the water vacuum pump, wash it thoroughly, ice cold water and dry it in the air over filter paper. Keep the solid in vacuum desiccator for the next step of the experiment. Preparation of para-bromoaniline. In a 100 ml round bottom flask, fitted with a water condenser, dissolved 6.4 gram of para-bromoacetanilide in 20 ml of ethanol. Add a solution of 6 gram of potassium hydroxide in 10 ml of distilled water and boil it a reflux for 2 hours. Cool the solution and pour it over 60 ml of ice cold water, stirring frequently with a glass rod while cooling in ice until complete precipitation of the solid. If necessary, add more water. Filter off the solid, add the water vacuum pump and wash it with ice cold water. Here in the reaction, we make directly 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, but by step we take here aniline first to prepare acetanilide. Acetanilide converted into para-bromoacetanilide when reacts with bromine, and para-bromoacetanilide converted into para-bromoaniline. Okay, so overall reaction is like this. You should write the result after producing your yield. The yield of product para-bromoaniline is whatever you calculate it. Okay, so here the preparation of para-bromoaniline is over. Thank you.